Okay, hope we can continue with the morning class. Morning we discussed about exponential form, isn't it? Okay, exponential form means it takes the form. What is the form we have learned? An exponential form. Karthik, it takes the form
A raised to n.
a raised to n. It takes the form a raised to n. Okay, now we are going to learn logarithms. Okay, logarithms. I think we learned this one in functions. Okay, how this logarithmic functions and exponential functions are connected. Okay, now let's go through this one. Why these logarithms are used? The thing is, now we are using calculators. Earlier to that, we don't have calculators and all. So using this logarithmic tables, we'll be able to do big calculations, finding the square root, cube root, okay, fifth root and all. We can do it easily using logarithm tables. So how to use log tables, that one we'll be learning later. Before that, we'll be learning how to convert an exponential function to logarithm functions and all. What is logarithmic function and all, we'll be learning now. Write the heading, logarithmic functions. Logarithmic functions. Yes. Only for this. No. This is for applied. Okay. Now children, listen. We know 2 cube is 8. Okay. So this is the exponential form. This is in exponential form. So to convert this in logarithmic form, can you give the logarithmic form? We learned this one in functions. Okay. So how we can write? Log 8 to the base 2 is 3. Log 8, logarithm of 8 to the base 2 is 3. What is 5 square? What is 5 square? What is 5 square? Annette, 5 square is?
25.
25. So this is an exponential form. So what is the corresponding logarithmic form? Log 25 to the base 5 is 2. Log 25 to the base 2. Okay. What is 10 raised to minus 2? What is 10 raised to minus 2? 10 raised to minus 2 means it is 1 by 100, isn't it? What is 1 by 100? 0.01. So this one, how will you write in logarithmic form? Log of 0.01 to the base 10 is 2. Log of 0.01 to the base 10 is 2. So in general, suppose a raised to n is equal to b. Suppose a raised to n is equal to b. Then log b to the base a is n. Then log b to the base a is n. Okay. Log b to the base a is n. Okay, children? So now I will give some exponential form. We have to give the corresponding logarithmic form. I'll give some exponential form, give the corresponding logarithmic form. Okay. Is it ready? Are you ready? Is it over, Shubham? Shubham, Aditya, Satyan? Shubham? Okay, Tomlin, give the answer for the first one.
Ma'am, log 3, 9 is equal to 2.
How to read this? Log 9 to the base 3.
Base 3 is equal to 2.
Now answer the next one. Okay, read it properly. Tell me.
Ma'am, log 625. Base 5 is equal to 4.
0 to 4. Okay. Femina. Femina.
Log 1 base 7 is equal to 0.
Okay. Log 1. See, whatever may be the base, log 1 is always 0. Log 1 is 0. Okay, correct. Femina. Next. Anila Mohanan.
Log 1 by 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3.
Yes, correct. Karthik.
Log 0.001 to the base 10 is equal to 3.
Is equal to -3. Okay, so write the next one. So I hope this one is conversion. Is it clear? Okay, whenever we are giving exponential form, we can convert to logarithm form, and log also we can convert to exponential. Write the next one. Write in exponential form. Write in exponential form. Log 81 to the base 3 is 4. So what is the exponential form? This is given in logarithmic form. We have to write in exponential form. What is the form we have learned? Listen, look at here. Suppose exponential form is a raised to n is b. So log b to the base a is n. So here what is the exponential form? Compare it.
3 raised to 4 is 81.
3 raised to 4 is 81. Log 32 to the base 8 is 5 by 3. So it is the corresponding exponential form. Annex. Log 32 to the base 8 is 5 by 3. So what is the corresponding exponential form?
Ma'am, 8 raised to 5 by 3 is equal to 32.
8 raised to 5 by 3 is equal to 32. Yes, correct, Janet. Then log 0.1 to the base 10 is minus 1. Log 0.1 to the base 10 is minus 1. Aditya Satyan, what is the answer?
Ten raised to
Louder?
-1.
Can't hear at all, Aditya. You are saying something. Can you repeat it?
10 raised to
Okay.
10 raised to -1 is 0.1.
10 raised to minus 1 is 0.1. Okay. So the conversion, is it okay, children? Now what? Few more questions again we can try. Write down. Write in logarithmic form. Write in logarithmic form. 10 raised to 4 is 1000, 10,000. 3 raised to minus 5 is equal to x. 0.3 raised to 3 is 0.027. Write in logarithmic form. So what is the answer for the first one, Anila Mohanan?
Log 10,000 to the base 10 is equal to 4.
Okay. Next one. Aishwarya.
Log x to the base 3 is equal to -5.
Femina.
Log 0.027 to the base 0.3 is equal to 3.
Okay, correct. Okay. So now write the heading, note. Okay, so some important points we are going to learn. Okay. Log 1 to the base a is always 0. Log 1 is always 0. The second one, log a to the base a is 1. Log a to the base a is 1. Isn't it? Because a raised to 1 is equal to a. Anything raised to 0 is 1. Its corresponding exponential form I am giving them. So log a to the base a is 1. Log 1 to the base a is 0. So log 1 will be always 0. Log a to the base a is 1. Third one is, listen children, third one is very important. Log x to the base a is same as log y to the base a. So that implies x is equal to y. That implies x is equal to y. Fourth one, logarithm is defined for only positive numbers. Is defined for only positive numbers. Logarithm we cannot define it for negative numbers. Logarithm will be defined for only positive numbers. Positive means it can take any real number. It can be any real number. Okay, then fifth one. Log to the base 10. Whenever to base is 10 is called common logarithm. If the base is 10, we call it as common logarithm. Base 10 is called the common logarithm. So 1 mark questions and all will be asked from here. Log to the base e. To the base e is called natural logarithm. Is called natural logarithm. What is e? We have learned this one in functions. What is e? Whenever we take base as e, we call it as, what is e? What is e? E is an irrational number. E is an irrational number whose value lies between 2 and 3. Whose value lies between 2 and 3. It is an irrational number. Okay, E is an irrational number. See, the value of E is approximately 2.718281, etc. This approximately log value is approximately equivalent to 2.718281 and so on. Okay, so if you take logarithms, there are two types of logarithm: common logarithm and natural logarithm. Common logarithm means to the base 10. Natural logarithm means to the base E. Okay, the next one is if the base is 10, that is if you are taking, then then we will not mention the base E, base. Then we will not mention the base. Okay, for example, log 3 to the base E, to the base 10. We simply write this as log 3. If it is, okay, we write simply log 3 means base is 10. If you are not mentioning the base, we write this as log. So whenever we write log x means what does it mean? The base is 10. If it is E, we will specify. If some other base is there means we will specify. If it is log 2, what is meant by log 2? It is log 2 to the base 10. So no base is there means base is always taken as 10. Whenever base is not there, base is taken as 10. Okay, whenever base is not there, we take the base as 10. Up to this, is it clear, children? So what is meant by natural logarithm? Natural logarithm means what about the base? Base will be
E.
E. Okay, what is E? E is a
Irrational number between 2 and 3.
Yes, it is an irrational number between 2 and 3. If we say common logarithm, then the base is 10. Common logarithm means base is 10. Okay. So whenever we are not writing the base means the base is 10. If we suppose we write log 5. Log 5 means the base is 10. Log 5 to the base 10. Log x to the base 10, we simply write this as log x. So if I say log x, log y, what does it mean? Base is 10. Okay, if you are not writing the log, if you are not writing the base is 10. Okay, is it okay, Shubham? 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 Are you there? Is I send something? Send. Shubham? Yes. Okay, hope. Okay, children, write the next one. Write the next one. Find the value of the following. Find the values of the following. Under that first one, log 16 to the base 2. Log 16 to the base 2. Log 16 to the base 2. How to do this? We want to find the value of it. Okay. So its value we don't know. You take it as x. We want to find the value of this log. So its value we don't know. You take it as x. Now this logarithmic form, we can convert it into exponential form. 2 raised to x is 16, isn't it? 2 raised to x is 16. 16, how will you write in powers of 2? Because the base is 2. Here also we should write in terms of 2. How will you write this? 2 raised to? Is it 4? Yes. So what is the value of x? X is 4. Is it okay, Annette?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the second one. Find log 2 to the base 16. Log 2 to the base 16. We want to find the value of this one, isn't it? This value we don't know. You take it as x. Then, the next step, convert logarithm to exponential form. It is given in logarithmic form, write in exponential form. 16 raised to x is 2. 16 raised to x is 2. So how will you do this one? 16. Here it is 2. So we should convert this 16. Okay, 2 means the power is 1. So this base also we should convert in terms of 2. So how will you write this? 2 raised to 4 whole raised to x is 2 raised to 1. So 2 raised to 4x is equal to 2 raised to 1. So 4x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, x is 1 by 4. The next one, third one. Try this one, okay? Find the value of log 1 by 3 to the base 3. Find out what is the value of log 1 by 3 to the base 3. So first you take it as x, convert in exponential form, then simplify and find out what is the value. Karthik, you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
-1.
Yes, it is correct. This -1. Tomlin, are you getting this one? -1? No.
Yes, ma'am.
So this one we can take it as x, isn't it? Then 3 raised to x is 1 by 3. So that means we can write this as 3 raised to -1. So now when you equate it, we'll get x is equal to -1. Now next one. Next one you have to give the answer. Log 8 to the base root 2. Log 8 to the base root 2.
X equal to 6.
Very good. So the value is 6, isn't it? Are you getting this, Anila Mohanan?
No, I didn't do.
You didn't do. Okay. Are you trying this one? Are you trying this, Anila Mohanan?
Yes, ma'am.
So first, what is the step you will write? First, you equate to x, isn't it? So what is the next step?
Root 2x is equal to 8.
Root 2 raised to x is equal to 8. So 8 also, this one we can write this as 2 cube, isn't it? But here we want root. Root means what is the power? Root means power 1 by 2, isn't it? So 2 raised to 1 by 2 whole raised to x is 2 cube. So power to power means multiply the powers. So 2 raised to x by 2 is equal to 2 cube. So base is same. So equate the powers. So x is equal to 6. We'll get x is equal to 6. Next one. So the next one. Log 0.008 to the base 5. Log 0.008 to the base 5. Try this one. Try this one and give the answer. So log 0.008 to the base 5. What is the answer? Karthik?
Ma'am, I did not get.
Did anyone get the answer? Aishwarya?
No, ma'am.
Aparna? No. Annette?
No, ma'am.
X is minus 3.
Who is giving that answer?
Ma'am, X is minus 3.
Yes, it is correct. Can you give the steps, Aditya? Very good, Aditya. How? Can you give the steps?
5 raised to X is 0.008.
Okay.
Then 5 raised to X is 8 by 1000.
Okay.
5 raised to X is 2 raised to 3 by 5 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3.
Can you repeat? 5 raised to x is equal to?
2 raised to 3 by 5 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3.
Very good. Into 2 raised to 3. Very good. Then?
And that 2 raised to 3 will get cancelled.
Very good.
5 raised to x is 1 by 5 raised to 3.
Yes.
5 raised to x is 5 raised to minus 3.
Yes.
X is minus 3.
Yes. Correct. Very good. Okay. Very good, Aditya. Okay, this is a different question. Note down. Okay, note down. This type of questions only will be asked for the exam. Practice such questions. Is it okay? Is it clear, Karthik, now?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
See, not only for this exam, you will get this type of questions when you attend PSC, when you write any entrance exams. Okay. PSC government exam. For all this type of exams, applied maths, this type of questions will be there. Exponential form questions. Okay. Now, the next, write the next one. Hope you all copied this one. Yes, Femina? Tomlin, any doubt in this one? Huh? No.
No.
Okay. Write the next one. Find the value of x in each of the following. Find the value of x in each of the following. Find the value of x in each of the following. The first one, log x to the base 2 is 5. Log x to the base 4 is equal to 2.5. This is the second question. Okay, you see, the first two questions I'll explain. The next two questions you have to try. Our aim is to find x. It is given in logarithm. So first step, you will be converting that into, you have to convert that into exponential form. So 2 raised to 5 is x. Therefore, what is x?
32.
This is 32. The same way, look at this one. Log x to the base 4 is 2.5. So, what is x? 4 raised to 2.5 is x, isn't it? 4 raised to 2.5 means it is 5 by 2 is x. Is that no? 4 raised to 2.5 means it is 5 by 2. Now you square on both sides. When you square it, what happens? 4 raised to 5 is x square. 4 raised to 5 is x square. Or, okay, no need to square it, children. Square it means it will become a lengthy one. 4 raised to 5 by 2 is x. Now what you can do, what is 4? Is it 2 square? Raised to 5 by 2 is x. So that is 2 raised to 2 into 5 by 2 is x. So what is the value of x? X is again 2 raised to 5, which is 32. It is 32. Now do the next one. Log 243 to the base x is minus 5. Log 243 to the base x is minus 5. We have to find x. Find x. How to do this? So, convert in exponential form. X raised to minus 5 is 243. 243 is same as earlier we did this one, prime factorizing. Isn't it? Here base is 243. So prime factorizing, what you will get? What is 243? Which is 3 raised to 5. Isn't it? Is it correct? Yes, it is. So 1 by x raised to 5 is 3 raised to 5. So when you equate it, 1 by x is 3. Therefore, what is x? X is 1 by 3. X is 1 by 3. Now do the next one. Log 27 to the base 9 is 2x plus 3. Log 27 to the base 9 is 2x plus 3. Find x. Yes. How will you do this? So when you convert this, you'll get exponential form. 9 raised to 2x plus 3 is 27, isn't it? So it is 27. 27, how will you write? 3 cube. So here also we should convert this. 9. 9 we can write this as 3 square raised to 2x plus 3. Power to power means multiply the powers. So 3 raised to 4x plus 6 is equal to 3 cube. So when you equate it, 4x plus 6 is equal to 3. From here, what is the value of x?
Minus 3 by 4.
X is minus 3 by 4. Yes. X is minus 3 by 4. Is it okay, Annette?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, the next one. Or see here and only 1 or 2 steps only need. But if you do it properly only you will get. Otherwise it will going on a continuous process. You will not get the answer. 1 or 2 steps only we need. Log of x square minus 4 to the base 2 is 5. Find x. So how to do this? You can write this as 2 raised to 5 is x square minus 4, isn't it? So what is 2 raised to 5? 32 is x squared minus 4. So minus 4, if you bring it here, the other side you will get it is plus 4, it is 36. So x square is 36. Therefore, what is x?
6.
Plus or minus 6. Don't write simply 6. Whenever we take square root, we have to put plus or minus symbol. So it is plus or minus 6. Okay? Is it clear? Is it okay? What is log 5 to the base 0? Log is defined for only positive numbers. Keep it in mind. Okay? Okay, children. So learn these properties and come. In the next class, we will be learning more about logarithm. We will be learning how to add to logarithmic functions, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and all we will be learning. Okay? So end the session now. Thank you.